Now, let us take up the concept number 9, interface references. In this, already explained this point. However, once again I want to draw your attention towards this, very important. Actually, any class implements an interface. The interface reference is compatible with all such implemented classes. Through this demo, I would like to establish that point once again. Here, interface X. In that interface X, only we have defined one method prototype, void display string. That is all, nothing more than that. Only this point I want to assert. That is why I have given this is the interface. A implements X. A class, this is a class, implements X. In that, we are providing a definition for this prototype, void display string S. There SOP statement we are writing A and S. Okay. In the same manner, B class implements X. The same code we are writing except one change. Here B, instead of this we are writing this, entire thing is same. Here next C implements X, then entire thing is same except this one. In SOP statement, instead of A I am writing C, that is all. However, you write, do not take anything lightly, you write. Now, by this I want to prove one thing. By using interface reference, we can call the methods of the implementing classes, that I want to show you. Here you see X reference I have declared, reference variable of interface type I declared. The same reference type I am using new A, that object I have created, and same reference I am using, X display, and in that I have given first string S, first I have given. Next B also I am using same reference, X reference, and in that second I have given, and next for C, same reference interface reference I have created, and C object I have created, here B object, here A object. So, via the same reference display I am calling, there I have given third argument string. Ultimately what is being done is, see the output, A first, B second, C third. So, by this what you can understand that once you implement an interface, the interface reference is compatible for calling all the implementing classes methods, the methods of implementing classes. Once again I am repeating the same statement. Via interface reference, we can call the implementing classes methods of the implementing classes, that only this is the interface reference. Using that we are calling the methods of the implementing class. This is the method of first implementing class, that is A, this is second implementing class B, this is third implementing class, and finally you see the result, A first, B second, C third. So, the class should implement interface, otherwise it leads to error.